Wait, do you know what the most dangerous mistake is for gardeners in Zone 6 during October? It's not forgetting to water, it's not even about fertilizer. It's something much bigger. Most beginners lose their gardens before winter, not because of the frost itself, but because they planted the wrong crops at the wrong time. And here's the twist. There are certain plants you can still grow right now in October, even before frost hits. That will not only survive, they'll thrive. But here's the catch. If you miss planting them in the next few weeks, your garden will be finished until spring. So today, I'm going to reveal exactly what to plant in Zone 6 during October gardening, how to protect it, and one secret crop that even experienced gardeners forget. Stay with me because missing this could cost you your entire fall harvest. Now let's pause for a moment and ask, why is October such a critical month in Zone 6? If you live in states like Ohio, Pennsylvania, Missouri, New Jersey, or parts of southern Canada, you're in Zone 6. That means your first frost usually arrives between mid-October and early November. Most gardeners believe frost means the season is over. They give up, cover up their tools, and wait for spring. But the shocking truth is this: planting in October isn't just possible, it's essential. October can be your survival month. Imagine this for a second Halloween night. You step outside, and while your neighbor's gardens look brown and dead, yours is still green, fresh, and producing food. Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. Because in Zone 6, October is your last chance to plant certain crops that actually love the cool weather. The real trick is knowing which plants can handle frost and which ones collapse the moment temperatures dip. So what should you actually plant before frost hits in Zone 6? Let's start with leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, and lettuce thrive in cool temperatures. Spinach especially gets sweeter after a touch of frost. Kale can survive deep into winter if you give it some protection. Arugula grows fast, so planting it in October still gives you multiple harvests. Lettuce may not survive heavy frost unprotected, but with a small row cover, you'll have fresh salads deep into the season. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. Root crops like radishes, carrots, and beets can still be planted. Radishes grow in as little as 3 weeks. Carrots planted now will slowly develop underground, and if you mulch them, you can actually harvest them later when the ground is cold. Beets can handle light frost, too. Herbs like cilantro and parsley are also perfect for October. Cilantro actually prefers the cold it bolts too fast in the summer, but thrives in the fall. And parsley? With just a bit of frost protection, it keeps going strong. I promised you. There's one crop that surprises most gardeners. They don't think it belongs in October planting at all, yet it's one of the best survival crops before frost. I'll reveal it in just a moment. For now, let's interrupt your thinking. If you're assuming October is only about small greens and herbs, you're missing out. Zone 6 October gardening isn't about what dies in the cold, it's about what flourishes because of it. Now stop right here. Before you think you figured it out, let me test you. Which of these crops can actually survive frost better than spinach? Take a second, think about it. Most people get this wrong, and if you do, it could mean you've been wasting your October gardening potential for years. Hold on to that thought because I'll answer it in just a bit. Here's the reality. Many crops don't just tolerate frost, they improve with it. The cold concentrates the sugars in their leaves and roots. The answer to my challenge is kale. Kale doesn't just survive frost, it thrives in it. The colder it gets, the sweeter it becomes. This is why kale is often considered a survival food for Zone 6 gardeners. But kale isn't the only secret. The real trick to October gardening is not just choosing the right crops, but protecting them. Mulch is your best friend. A layer of straw or leaves around your crops keeps the soil warmer for longer. Row covers, simple fabric tunnels, or even old sheets at night can extend your harvest by weeks. And here's another keyword reminder. What to plant before frost hits isn't just about planting, it's about defending. The frost doesn't have to be the end of your garden. There's one planting mistake almost every beginner makes in Zone 6 during October, and it ruins weeks of work. Most gardeners rush to plant crops that need too much time. They put in things like tomatoes or peppers, hoping they'll make it before frost. But the truth is, warm season crops are finished. If you waste your space on them now, you'll get nothing. The smart gardener uses October for fast growers and frost lovers only. Think about it. Would you rather plant a tomato that dies in 2 weeks or spinach that feeds you until Christmas? That's the kind of choice that separates struggling gardeners from successful ones. Now, let's talk survival tricks. Soil preparation in October is critical. Cold weather means plants grow slower, so you need to give them the best possible start. Loosen the soil, add compost, and make sure drainage is good because wet, cold soil can kill roots. Watering in October is tricky too. You don't need as much as summer, but don't let the soil dry out completely. A little moisture helps protect against sudden cold. Timing matters as well. Planting too late can mean seeds don't sprout fast enough. That's why October is your final window and every day counts. Here's a quick story to show you how this works. A gardener in Pennsylvania once planted carrots in October. He thought the frost killed them. But when he went back in December, he dug under the mulch and found sweet, crisp carrots waiting for him. Meanwhile, his neighbor planted peppers in the same week. Frost wiped them out in 10 days. Same zone, same weather, totally different results. That's the power of planting the right crops before frost hits. So let's wrap this up. If you're gardening in Zone 6, October is not the end of your season, it's your survival season. You should be planting leafy greens like spinach, kale, arugula, and lettuce. Root crops like radishes, carrots, and beets. Herbs like cilantro and parsley. And don't forget frost-tolerant survival crops like kale, the one that actually gets better after frost. Protect them with mulch and row covers, prepare your soil, and plant now before frost hits. Remember, most beginners miss this chance and lose months of growing time. Don't be one of them. Your garden doesn't have to die with the frost. It only dies if you let it. So go outside today, take advantage of Zone 6 October gardening, and make your fall garden thrive while everyone else is giving up. And before you go, let me ask you one last question. Which crop are you going to plant first? Drop it in the comments, because I want to know which one of these survival crops you're bringing into your October garden.